one of the questions that service technicians get a giggle out of is, where is my filter located? So we get this question from time to time, and that's usually when we figure out that you're not a person that's done maintenance on their equipment and you're looking to try to get on the horse of doing maintenance and making sure the system lasts a lot longer for you. So filters are usually located in one of two places. Either in the return grill, that is the larger grill in the house where air is always pulling into. There's sometimes a filter in there. Or the filter is going to be located right near the furnace in a filter base or a cabinet or some kind of filter box. And usually there's some screws or some wing nuts that you can get off and remove a panel and get inside to, a 1-inch filter all the way up to a 4-inch filter. Again, only really two places you can find them unless it's some kind of strange specialty install. But you can go look, the return grill or near your furnace. And again, they should be replaced every 60 to 90 days.